Want to know which app truly performs best when controlling your Mac from an iPad? In this video, we're comparing real-world latency and smoothness of Splashtop, Duet, and Total Remote Control using high-precision, slow-motion recordings at 240 frames per second. All apps were tested under identical hardware, network, and screen capturing conditions, ensuring a fair and transparent comparison. As you've clearly seen under real-world conditions, Total Remote Control delivers significantly lower latency and smoother performance, ensuring immediate, natural interaction with your Mac directly from your iPad. Discover more at total-remotecontrol.com and experience the difference for yourself.